Marcos from ECCPP Auto Parts, here with their manual upgrade tow mirror built for any 2007 through 2013 Chevy Silverado and Suburban, in addition to any GMC Sierra, Yukon, Tahoe, and Avalanche. This tow mirror is designed to be manual folding and manual extending. It also has the same 3-pin mounting locations, base plate, and plug-and-play connector as your vehicle for easy installation. This tow mirror also has a larger manual adjusted upper mirror and a lower manually adjusted panoramic mirror, with both having a combined length of 12 inches by 8 inches and an overall length of 18 inches when closed. Once extended, it reaches up to 22 inches, maximizing your road safety and visibility. As a manual upgrade tow mirror, it has no power options, but it is designed to increase your range of view, maximizing your road safety and visibility, while updating the look and functionality of your vehicle.